afternoon. Today we will be doing a demonstration on an activity called the exploding sandwich bag. The materials we have are, we're going to be using a paper towel, vinegar, baking soda, tablespoon measuring cup, and a sandwich bag. So first, we're going to start by taking one paper towel and folding it to make 4 equal pieces, 4 equal parts. So I'm going to fold it once in half and then fold it again into fourths. And we'll only be using, like I said, a fourth of that. So the other 3 pieces I'm just going to set to the side, along with the rest of the leftover paper towels. Now with this fourth of a paper towel, we need to put 2 tablespoons of baking soda in the center of it. Now, as I'm pouring the baking soda out, the students should describe the baking soda by its observable properties, and record this information in your journal, in your science journal. So I'm going to pour 2 tablespoons of baking soda. There's 1. There's 2. I'm going to set the baking soda off to the side, along with the measuring cup. Now the baking soda needs to make sure that it's staying inside of this paper towel. So, I'm going to fold it like this for now, and it might not stay for the moment, but we'll fold it together, and then put it inside of the sandwich bag. Now, we have to add vinegar into the sandwich bag with the baking soda and the paper towel. So, as I pour this in, we're going to fill the bag up about a fourth of the way. And for the students, they should also record in their science journal the observable properties of the vinegar. And now I'm going to hold the bag and the vinegar over my little bin here, or you can also use a trash can, and pour about a fourth of the bag full of vinegar. And students at this time should be recording what they think is going to happen. They can make a prediction, draw a picture. I'm going to close the bag all the way. I'm going to bend down and put this over top of here. Notice what the bag is doing. Students should be observing this and recording it in their journal, making any observational notes. The bag is definitely getting full. So this would be a time for discussion amongst peers in the class. They could do a think, pair, share. And as the bag is getting full like this, we can talk about the explanation of what's going on. So when the paper towel square that has the baking soda inside of it is placed into the vinegar, a chemical reaction happens, which creates the carbon dioxide gas. And the carbon dioxide gas fills the bag, which causes the bag to expand, and eventually it would pop. Now the science background to this is that matter is anything that has mass and takes up space, and there are different kinds of matter, and it exists of either solid or liquid depending on temperature. Matter can be described and classified by its observable properties, which is what we touched base on during this demonstration, what students would be recording of the vinegar and the baking soda. And then the measurements of a variety of properties can be used to identify different materials. When 2 or more different substances are mixed, a new substance with different properties may form. This is considered a chemical reaction, which is a change that results in 1 or more new substances. A physical reaction does not result in a new substance. This demonstration corresponds to the following I can statements and follows along with the NGSS standards. I can plan and conduct an investigation to describe and classify different kinds of materials by their observable properties And I can conduct an investigation to determine whether the mixing of two or more substances results in a new substance. Thank you.